Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," "I always mess things up," or "things never go my way," your mind starts to believe it. Negative thinking isn't just a habit, it's a mental filter that distorts the way you see yourself and the world. But here's the good news, you have the power to change it. Today, we're breaking down how to identify negative thought patterns, reframe your mindset, and take control of your inner dialogue. So you can break free from negativity and start thinking in a way that empowers you, not holds you back. Why do we think negatively? Negative thinking isn't always intentional. It often comes from past experiences, fears, or self-doubt. Over time, these thoughts become automatic, forming a pattern known as cognitive distortions, mental habits that twist reality. Some common ones include all or nothing thinking. If I fail once, I'm a complete failure. Overgeneralization. Bad things always happen to me. Filtering, only focusing on the negatives while ignoring the positives. Catastrophizing, expecting the worst possible outcome, even when it's unlikely. Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward taking back control of your thoughts. Step 1. Challenge negative thoughts. Not every thought you have is true. When a negative thought pops up, question it. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or just my emotions? What evidence do I have that this thought is actually true? How would I respond if a friend said this about themselves? Most of the time, you'll realize your mind is exaggerating or assuming the worst. By challenging these thoughts, you weaken their power over you. Step 2. Reframe your thinking. Instead of saying, "I'll never be good at this," shift to, "I'm still learning, and every mistake helps me improve." Instead of, "I always fail," try, "Failure is part of the process, and I'll get better." Reframing doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means choosing a perspective that helps you move forward, instead of keeping you stuck. Step 3. Practice self-compassion. We're often our own worst critics. If you wouldn't say it to a friend, why say it to yourself? Replace harsh self-talk with kindness. Try speaking to yourself like you would someone you care about. Instead of, "I'm so stupid for making that mistake," try, "Everyone makes mistakes, it's how we grow." The more you practice self-compassion, the easier it becomes to treat yourself with respect and patience. Step 4. Focus on what you can control. Negative thinking often stems from focusing on things outside of your control, other people's opinions, past mistakes, or unpredictable circumstances. The secret to breaking free? Shift your focus to what you can control. You can't change the past, but you can learn from it. You can't control others, but you can control how you respond. You can't predict the future, but you can take steps toward your goals today. Where your focus goes, your energy flows. Choose to put that energy into what actually moves you forward. Step 5. Create a daily positivity habit. Breaking free from negative thinking isn't about forcing yourself to be constantly positive. It's about training your brain to see more possibilities and solutions. Try these simple daily habits. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Affirmations. Repeat positive statements like, "I am capable, strong, and improving every day." Mindfulness. Pay attention to the present moment instead of getting lost in negative thoughts. The more you practice choosing positive, constructive thoughts, the easier it becomes to rewire your brain for confidence and resilience. Final thoughts. Negative thinking doesn't have to control you. Your thoughts are just thoughts, not facts, not destiny, and not your identity. The more you challenge, reframe, and take control of your mindset, the more you'll see change in your life. Let us know in the comments, what's one negative thought you're working to change? And don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement and mindset tips.